For items 27 and 28, we are asked to compute for the taxable income using itemized deduction and OSD. So this is a domestic corporation classified as MSME. So for the first question, we have let me let me block this first so that we can follow yung ating discussion. So okay, so for gross sales, we have 9,350,000 and then returns and allowances of 250 and discounts of 100. So we are using itemized deduction here. That's cost of sales 3 million. Interest income notes is subject to the regular income tax. So we include it here 150,000. Other income 50,000 and OPEX with vouchers and receipts. Hindi po natin pwedeng i-claim as tax deduction ang operating expenses without vouchers and receipts. So we have taxable income here of 2,200,000. So that's our answer for number 27. For number 28, um, we will only include gross sales, returns and allowances, discounts, cost of sales, interest income, and other income. So we include all those 5 items, or rather 6 items. But instead of OPEX with vouchers and receipts, we will use optional standard deduction. So optional standard deduction is 40% of this, ayan, yung naka-highlight na. So 40% of the sum of those with highlight. Okay? And of course, you deduct syempre yung returns, discounts, and cost of sales. So 40% of that amount is 2,480,000. So we come up with taxable income of 3,720,000.